it's scary. Failure is so, so scary because nobody wants to look like the person that doesn't know anything. And that's my biggest advice to people. It's okay to ask questions. It's okay to reach out to someone on LinkedIn and really just ask for their general advice because you never know how someone's journey can really help you in your own journey as well. And of course, one of the things I definitely want to give back is some free materials for you guys who might be looking at, hey, how do I find my passions? How do I find my interest in cyber? And these are my recommendations to start with. TryHackMe is a good free program. They have different corners of cybers you can explore. Hack the Box is very, I would say, pen testing focused. And then, of course, there's KC7. It takes a lot of cyber skills and they put it in fun challenges. It's a nonprofit. I absolutely recommend for anyone, or if especially someone that's looking to bring something back into their public school district as well. And also, if you're looking at getting a community engagement, I'm very big on your network is your net worth. There's some really good organizations. If you're looking for middle school and high school, if you're watching this, National Cyber League, CyberPatriots, Girls Who Code, these are great, I would say, quote unquote, free areas that you can invest in students or start in your area. And then there's a lot of national organizations. SecKC is not a national organization, but I do feel like it is recognized nationally. They have a great Discord group, a great communication. There's a lot of local B-Sides chapters that are always looking for volunteers, people to speak, or just be involved because it takes a village to run these fantastic events. And then same thing with Women in Cybersecurity. It's a national organization. It's a great network and group of women who just want to be mentors. And of course, Discord channels. If you are a hermit that likes to stay at home, that is okay. I always tell people to start getting out there slowly, and hopefully Discord channels would be the way for you guys to go. I am going to kind of just highlight Breeze since we're cutting on time. Brene Brown's Dare to Lead. This is a great book for leaders who are on the call. It talks about taking risks, being vulnerable, how to learn, essentially how to grow your team on being comfortable and confident. And then if you guys had missed any of the QR codes throughout the presentation, here they are on the screen. Again, they're not phishing, but definitely want to promote the free materials. Cyber Academy is really good for projects. If you're looking at building a technical project on your resume, again, KC7 for the different skills and training, TryHackMe, Hack the Box. Also, my LinkedIn. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, feel free to reach out. And of course, the QR code for my podcast as well. So thank you guys.
Thank you so much, Reanna, for being a guest at this focused session.